Here are two options of the Roch fridges that you can get with a budget below 50,000. They come in different sizes and different sleek design. This one has a black and sleek compact design. Inakaa hivi. It's a total no frost cooling technology. Kumaanisha nini? It eliminates the need for manual defrosting. This is the fridge and this is the freezer. As you can see guys, storage yake ni kubwa bizuri sana. Hii huhitaji kustress anymore. Just shop in once per month and you're good to go. Now imagine unaipata na only 40,000 Kenyan shillings. Not to forget, it comes with very cool features. Iko na 2-star energy rating. Kumaanisha, this fridge does not consume a lot of power. It has 5 years warranty for the compressor and another 1 year for the whole product. Na ukinunua unapata this free fridge guard. 40,000 only, no more, no less. Next, we have this one here, 160 liters pia. Inakaa hivi. Iko na the VCM door, the glass tempered shelves, good storage boxes enough for your storage, a wide compartment setting on the inside, then iko na ile fruit box pale chini where you can store your fruits ama vegetables. Pia hii ni very eco-friendly and very energy saving. Na pia ukinunua unapewa a free fridge guard. This one goes for 26,500 Kenyan shillings. Usikubali upitwa na any of these fridges. You can shop them on our website to go by www.atenzahomappliances.co.ke. Ama you can come and visit us to co-locate at the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2. Come one, come all.